Glenurus gratis.
My name is Sarah Orndorff, and I will argue in the favor of the Annex Imperator, which goes by the name Emperor Dragonfly most commonly.
My name is Ellie Swanbeck. I'll be arguing for the Glenurus gratis, or commonly known as the antlion.
The Annex Imperator, known as the Emperor Dragonfly, has 3 stages in the life cycle. The egg hatches into a larva, or a nymph, which molts up to 15 times before emerging as an adult. When they become an adult, also known as a tenorol, they have a pale green. They're pale green without their adult patterns. After they have turned into an adult, they spend about a week feeding by water and maturing sexually. They will fight for territory around the waterbed so that they can breed and feed in the same area. They will also look for their mates in the same area. They're most active in the mid-morning and mid-afternoon, and they prefer sunny weather. Dragonflies play an important role in the ecosystem as well. Since they lay their eggs near water, once the nymphs hatch, they breathe underwater, and they use motions under the water similar to that of jet streams to move through it. They are able to eat the harmful organisms that lurk under the water, such as mosquito larvae. They do continue their contribution to the ecosystem for 1 to 5 years as nymphs. Since they are predators, they keep the bug populations, such as mosquitoes, down, which helps because it helps protect humans against deadly diseases. Not only are they great predators because their predation has a positive impact on humans, but they are among the deadliest creatures on the planet. They are almost 95% more likely to catch their prey than most creatures we find to be frightening, for example, a lion.
The Glenurus gratis is most commonly found in sandy, dry areas, forest floor, or in tree hollow. It goes complete metamorphosis. However, they are very different from the adult antlion. The larvae are small, stumpy creatures with long pincer mandibles. The pincers can release a venom that will paralyze their victims, whereas the adult Glenurus gratis is long, slender, with widespread wings. Their lifespan is said to be around 2 years. The adults are commonly mistaken for dragonflies and primarily fly around at dusk. The larvae, however, are the clever predators. They try their meticulous designs that any slight movement around the rim of their hole will have their prey tumbling down into a steep hole and right to the antlion's mouth. The Glenurus gratis is a distinctive species that cleverly uses traps to catch their prey, and that is why they are the better predator.
Since the life cycle of the antlion is shorter than that of the dragonfly, they do not have as long to become skilled hunters. Although, if it's their instinct to hunt and prey, they may not always be good at it. With the dragonfly, they are not only equipped with insane killer instinct and all the abilities they need to be a hunter, they would still need time to mature and become as strong predator as they can be, so that they will be able to feed, breed, and protect themselves and their offspring. Also, they are built to be fast and track their predators down.
Although the Annex Imperator does have more time to develop and tone their skills as they grow and learn, most hunting is an instinct to animals, not something that develops and gets better with time. What makes the antlion so unique is that it is more of a predator as a larvae than it is as an adult. The antlion larvae builds a simple but deadly traps and uses their prey's own instinct against them. They wait for prey to come to them instead of wasting energy by searching for food. They build traps around ant mounds, waiting for them to come to them.
As stated before, the dragonfly is considered one of the deadliest creatures, even more than that of a lion. This is because of their killer instinct and clever means of prey pursuit. They are also easily able to spot their prey because they have spherical eyes that allow them to see everything around them, including things that are directly above or below them. This also helps them avoid being lynched for another creature. They are able to fly incredibly fast in order to catch food and even evade certain situations. They are able to lock in on the prey with their eyes and still adjust their flight pattern without the prey going out of their sight. This allows for easy target reach. When they do this, they are calculating the velocity at which they are going to swoop in on the kill, and this is why dragonflies are the superior predator.
Although some children in the South commonly call the antlion doodlebug because of their antic nature, they have also been nicknamed demons of the dust because of their look and their success with capturing and killing their prey. Although the emperor dragonfly has evolved and developed features to make it a successful hunter, I believe the antlion is the best predator because of its cunning way of capturing their prey and exerting minimal amounts of energy in the process. Although being a predator is commonly associated with being a skilled hunter and going out and searching for their prey, I believe outsmarting their prey makes the antlion a better predator. Letting the prey walk out of their homes and fall to their deaths makes the antlion successful in killing their prey.
In conclusion, the dragonfly is not only a great hunter, but incredibly helpful to the human population. Since they hunt mosquitoes, they do help kill the mosquitoes that could be carrying malaria, West Nile virus, yellow fever, just to name a few. They are helpful to our water ecosystems as nymphs and help control the aquatic nuisances. The presence of dragonflies is an indicator of fresh water, so that alone helps us with research about waterbeds. They are as beautiful as they are deadly, and lucky for humans, they do not stink, so they are nothing but beneficial to us in every aspect of the word.
Both adult and larvae are crucial to the ecosystem. The adults prey on bigger insects like caterpillars, while the larvae feed on surface dwellers like ants. They cause little impact to humans. However, without them, the ant population would soar, thus affecting humans significantly. My opponent mentioned that the dragonfly is as beautiful as it is deadly. The antlion, on the contrary, is as deadly as it is ugly. It was nicknamed Demons of the Dust for a reason. Its killer instinct makes it a one-of-a-kind predator and will outskill the emperor dragonfly